Hi, I'm Wade from Thoroughbred Diesel, and today we're going to be discussing with you the different series of pumps from Fass. Thoroughbred Diesel is a stocking warehouse for Fass fuel systems. Today what we wanted to do is we wanted to show you the different pump series that are offered by Fass. Now, Fass's flagship model is their fuel air separation system, which is what the acronym Fass comes from. Their new series is called the Signature Series. Some guys have been calling it the Whisper Series. This is, again, when you're talking about Fass, this is what everybody thinks about, is the fuel air separation system or the pump with filters. The Signature Series pumps come in several different flows, and they are made for several different light duty pickup applications. These are state-of-the-art pumps, very quiet, lifetime warranty on these pumps if you send your warranty paperwork in within the first 30 days of purchase, and I'm going to show you a warranty card, which is very, very important on the Fass pumps. This is a very, very nice unit. If you're looking for better filtration, positive fuel pressure, this is the pump to go with from the Fass line. Now, a couple of pumps that kind of aren't in the limelight as much are the standalone pumps themselves. The first one we're going to talk about today is the adjustable pump, the Fass adjustable pump. These pumps also have a lifetime warranty. Now, in the situation for guys that want maximum versatility, this is the pump to go with. You are going to be able to get user adjustable pressure with this pump. It also has a boost compensation port on it, so you can plumb in a line. So when you're on full boost, this will give you better fuel pressure, better flow. So you're going to have the fuel there when you're demanding it. Again, we don't talk about this one enough. These pumps, another thing to note on these are just like the Fass's or the fuel air separation systems in that they come with all of the hoses and the bracketry and the hardware to install this on your truck. They are platform specific as well. So if you're wanting to keep your stock filtration or you're going to set up your own filtration system, this is definitely going to be the pump for you to go with. This is going to give you the most versatility in that. But again, if you want all of those features in one pump, aside from the adjustable fuel pressure, the fuel air separation system is definitely going to be the model for you to go with. Now let's talk about the DRP and the flow enhancers for the Duramaxes. I'm chasing the camera around just a little bit there. This is Fass's standalone pump that became very popular for the 1998 to 02 VP44 Dodge trucks. This is for the guy that's got a light modification or a stock truck and he's just wanting to get rid of his Carter fuel pump. You're getting 2.5 times more flow with this pump. Really, really super installation, goes in stock location. Really, there's no reason to go back with a stock pump. This is definitely going to be your upgrade inside of the Fass brand. This pump comes with a 4-year warranty. Really, really nice unit. This exact pump is offered for the 03 to 04 model common rail Dodges that will replace the fuel filter that would have been on the back of the back of your stock fuel filter. Really, really good upgrade for that if you guys have got one of those earlier common rail trucks. Awesome upgrade. Now, this is a really, really great light upgrade for Duramax as well. They offer this in a Duramax flow enhancer. The Duramaxes, as we know, the earlier models did not have lift pumps. If you are looking for a lift pump upgrade, if you've got some light tuning done to the truck and you just want positive fuel pressure, definitely a good direction for you to go. 4-year warranty, comes with everything for the mounting. They are platform specific, but it will come with everything that you need to mount it. So that's our Fass series. Again, the Signature Series, the flagship model, fuel air separation series. Comes with better filtration, positive fuel flow, lifetime warranty on the pump. Really, really good system. This is the cat's meow. You guys that are kind of more in custom applications and you're wanting maximum versatility, you're wanting to use your stock filtration, maybe you've come up with your own filtration system, the adjustable pump's going to be where you're wanting to go. Lifetime warranty on this, boost compensation port, really, really nice model, comes with everything that you need to install it. U98 to 02 Dodge guys, 03, 04 Dodge, and your Duramax guys with light modifications or stock trucks, consider the DRP, the Duramax Flow Enhancer, definitely the series that you want to go with. So hope that sheds some light on the different pump series from Fass. Now, Fass offers several other products. They offer fuel heaters, they offer sumps, draw straws. That's another video for another day. Today, what we wanted to concentrate on was just what series the pumps that Fass offers. Again, they offer these in different flow models for different horsepower applications. If you have a question about Fass or any of our other products, please give us a call, like and subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.